Wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our morning briefing show. This awesome and great preparation for a new trading day. We make it, this is from Admirals, and my name is your host. My name is Markus Gabel with my moderator back, and a wonderful good morning. So I want to say good morning to everybody of you who joined this session this morning. Just a moment. Yes, I can hear myself on YouTube. By the way, we stream this show on YouTube live here right now. And if you watch it on YouTube, or maybe you watch it later, if you have time, then you will find a button in the right corner. You can subscribe this channel of Admiral, so you'll never miss an episode. You can watch it again and again to learn something for your own trading. And also you can give us a like if you say, okay, this is a cool show. Or if you say, oh, that's not really helpful, then thumb down, whatever you do. We are happy if you come in action. And below this video, you will find a commentary field. You can leave your comments, whatever is in your mind. Also, the same like right now in the show, we have it live here. I can see your comments on YouTube and on Zoom as well. So feel free to ask whatever is in your mind. I will do my best to give you a useful answer for your trading stuff, because this is my mission, to help you to become successful in trading every single day. So on YouTube, Hackbeth, wonderful morning. Don, Dorn, Barry, Albert, lovely good morning. And to Tina, good morning as well. Okay, so let's stream here. This one, I can see your chat. Also, Tina, good morning. Thomas, good morning. Alexander, good morning. So, and here we go. Yes. Okay. Thanks for joining this session. So this is the morning briefing show with myself. This is Markus Gabel, live webinar show. You know, this is our risk note. You're responsible for your own trading. That's my colleagues, Forex broker, Admirals, Forex broker with over 8,000 financial instruments. You know, here you have the contacts, and this is me. That's not really important. So here you can see the live email address from live trading at admiralmarkets.com. Or if you want to follow me on my social channels, then you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or in our live trading room, which is based on this morning briefing show on twitch.tv/DowHowTrader. It's completely free of charge for you, so you can look over my shoulders the rest of the day when we trade DAX in 10 minutes, gold, oil, Euro USD, Dow in hourly chart, the majors and minors in 4-hourly charts, and the indices and commodities in daily chart, and of course the exotic pairs in weekly chart. Plum and wonderful good morning. And Legolas, yeah, may the force be with you. No, that was Star Wars. Legolas is Lord of the Rings, right? Lord of the Rings, yeah, Legolas. Now I got it. So then you can follow Admirals Globals on Instagram as well. So, and that's our trading approach. It's the oldest trading approach ever. Charles Dow figured it out in 1879. That's the price in the accumulation phase is really cheap, and it makes sense to trade above or from cheap to expensive. Therefore, we have rules to follow, because, you know, if you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. And, you know, probabilities means you have to work with a strategy. Strategy means you have to, you have specific conditions, and conditions means you have specific rules. And you only can become successful in trading as a private trader if you stick to the rules. That's the only chance you have to become successful on the long run. Okay, so let's go to the upcoming events for today. To be honest, nothing, not really important. You know, on Thursday, we have the most important appointment this week with the ECB rate decision, but today we have nothing. So therefore, let's go to our charts this morning, and let's start with day trading. So, and all of those guys, they were short the last days. They had a great chance to make a huge distance and got out this night or this morning. And now we have on the right side of the chart, we have a great opportunity because we saw this correction. We missed a bit proper balance candle, so there is no problem because the point of control is actually above at 15,660 euros. So which means we have a lot of space to go up, which means we need a new balance candle or maybe a new correction a little bit lower, and then we can trade this trend to the upper side. If the price is working without of us right now, then we can use the third correction. So keep an eye on it. On DAX 10 minutes, we will follow this trade for the rest of the day in our Twitch room. The other products which we have in focus is Dow Jones. And Dow Jones is in a still valid downtrend. You can see that's the downtrend. So we saw actually the correction, this is the last move with the low at $33,746. We saw a little bit correction, and now the price is kind of stabilizing. But that's interesting in our chart. We are still in the red zone, in the fair price zone. So let's see what happens. Maybe there will be a secondary trend, which we can trade up to the last point of control, which is actually placed at $34,584. Okay, so then Euro USD, we opened a trade yesterday because we have a trend. So, but first we need the kind of orientation. So where we are. First of all, you see we are deep in a lower unfair price zone where the price is really cheap. It's kind of special offer. You go to the street, you see the shops, and overall you can the sign sale. So this is a kind of special offer right now because the point of control is really quite far away, because actually point of control is placed at 121.79. So we should mark it here that we can maybe follow if the price or the point of control will switch to another point. So, but the next possible point is here, is indeed higher. So actually we have to follow, it's just kind of orientation. The price is not part of the rules. We have 4 rules: trend, young trend, correction, balance candle. That's the 4 rules. And the price is just the kind of orientation, how much space we should give our trade. The hit quote means we trade out of the correction back to the last point 2. So therefore I have an alert there, then I will informed by MT5, and then I can sell half the position, then I trail my stop into profit and I'm safe. And the rest is decided by the market, how much money I will get. Okay, so this is Euro USD that we prepared yesterday already. In gold, we actually see that we have a secondary, or that we have a current uptrend right now. So let me delete this, because look, that's my current trend. Move, correction, and move. So now we have rule number 1 and 2 are valid. So now I must measure the last move to figure out about rule number 3. Okay, which means I need a close lower than 38%. So where we are, yeah, we are within the fair price zone. Point of control is lower, is at $1,778, which means we trade away from the point of control. So we must be really carefully with that, which means if you will get a signal, it looks like not right now, then we can trade up to the point 2. So actually we see that the price is really strong. We will not get a price below 38. So stand on the sideline, nothing to do. Sticking to the rules is the most important thing we have to do. Then last one is crude oil. In crude oil, we have nothing for the moment, just we have an old downtrend, and also we are within our fair price zone. But in comparison to gold, here is the point of control on the upper side here at $73. So which means we are waiting for a long position, for a long trading idea, and maybe this could happen next time. So look at this one. Maybe there occurs a secondary uptrend right now. That was a first move. That's the first small correction. And now we are waiting for a close above the last 0.2 that we have a valid trend, but not yet. So just wait. This could happen today. So, again, guys, if you want that I analyze something for you, it's not enough that you ask me what I'm thinking about this one or this one. So let me tell you, I don't think about anything about that. I follow my rules. So to save your precious lifetime and mine too, if you want that I analyze something, please type in which product and which time frame. And then I can tell you about the rules. But never ask me, please, what do you think about Euro Australian dollar? I don't care about that. So ask me which time frame, and then I can have a look on it, and then can I show you how we can follow the rules. Okay, all the other questions I don't answer because I don't have an opinion about anything. I'm a private trader. I'm on the right side of the chart. I cannot influence the price. I have to follow rules. So I never think anything else about any product, which means I don't have an opinion about that. So hope you were also short the US indices yesterday afternoon as well. No, I didn't. I was long and short in different currency pairs, and I'm deep in profit with almost all my trades. And that's for me the most important thing. So we have just only for today new one trading idea. This is British pound, New Zealand dollar. But before we do that, and Anna, if you're ready for Rumble, we can open the poll for today, because I have a special question for you today prepared. And this is called, what are you doing to distract yourself from trading? Because, you know, I try to train you not to watch the charts all day long. So I have 3 answers for you. I do sports, or I read books, or I take care of my family, friends, or myself, like resting, meditation, or something else. So what are you doing to distract yourself from trading? So by the way, what I'm doing is I can explain. I have a lot of coachings, normally between 3 and 4 coachings a day, different webinars. I trade on 8 different platforms right now. And of course, 3 times a week, I go to my gym. Today, it's time to gym again during the noon time. And this is what I'm doing in my to distract myself from trading and to keep my mind away a little bit from trading. This is what I'm doing. And this is absolutely necessary that you have a bit of distraction, because it makes no sense to watch the charts. What you have to do is to check the charts about your signals. Every hour if you trade an hourly chart, every 4 hours if you trade an hourly chart, or every 10 minutes, whatever. And if you don't have a signals, you don't have to watch the charts. So you have to watch this morning briefing show to learn something, but don't watch the charts too long, because the candles are working without that you're watching the chart. And watching the chart means you're always in danger to intervene into your trades. That's not really helpful. Yeah. So if you do everything, sports, reading books, taking care of your family, That's really good. Really good. So, and I think if you have a lot of distraction from trading, and then it's easier to follow the trades. Yeah. Sasha, wonderful. Good morning. It's your first session here. Interested to be walked through your rules. First time I've seen them for British pound US dollar on the 5-minute chart. You're very welcome. So at the best, to know the rules better, you check or you watch the shows in the last time, because we started in January, by the way. And on Admirals, you will find the whole list on all YouTube videos we made already. Or you can follow the Twitch room later, but first of all, check the shows from the past. But of course, let's check British pound US dollar in 5-minute charts. So you want to do it. GBP US dollar chart, 5-minute. So here we go. So my first orientation is always, where is my fair price? Fair price is really far away at 138.57. So you see we are in sale. Absolutely cheap price. So next one, what's the trend? And the trend actually is still down, which means movement correction. We are in the 1, 2, in the 1, 2, 3, in the 4th trend arm right now. So in British pound US dollar, I would wait to see a new uptrend that you can trade back into the fair price. I would do that. So, and in the past, there were really interesting chances. All this downtrend you could trade out coming of the correction, really, really successful. So, but now the trend is too old, by the way, and I would wait to see a new uptrend to go long again. Okay, so I go jogging and make a lot of sunburning, watching películas, and go fire brigade alarms. Oh, okay, that's cool. Everything what you do instead of watching the red and green candles or any color on candles, then it's good. Whatever you do, as long as you do something else for other people, we want to plant good seeds that it comes back to us, which means to plant good seeds means you can do something else for other people, and then the good things will come back to you, even the trading success. It's an interesting chance. Okay, so the question of today was, what are you doing to distract yourself from trading? 22% I do sports, 6% I read books, and 72% I take care of my family, friends, or myself. Maybe I can tell you something. I don't know how old you are. Not every of us is a sportsman, but maybe you can start with a little bit yoga, maybe 10 minutes a day. It's good because the energy should drive through your veins and through your whole body. And you don't have to play tennis or football or soccer or bow or whatever it is, or to have to go to the fitness or to go jogging or something else. But as a trader, you need a free brain, and sitting is the new smoking, So therefore, you should do something for yourself. Reading books, you sit again. Take care for your family. As long as you go with the kids to the zoo or to the park or whatever, then it's fine. But I can highly recommend that you do something for your body, because your body, your brain is placed, which means you need a healthy body. So therefore, if you don't like sports or something else, then YouTube, meditation, and yoga, for example, 10 minutes a day. Believe me, it will help to get a free brain. And by the way, meditation as well. 10 minutes, 5 minutes a day, it will help to keep your mind and your body healthy. This is just a recommendation from my side. So there was a new trading idea in British pound, New Zealand dollar. By the way, there's a trend. So yesterday we had 2 balanced candles in a row, but the price didn't go down back to the point of control. Actually, we see a rising British pound sterling. So actually we have to wait for next balance candle, or maybe the trend will break. Here you can see the big proof to work with stop sell, stop buy orders, not limit, not market, because you see I set my stop sell order below that balance candle. So, and you see price is going up and they don't have a loss. So it's always let you pick you up from the market in direction of the trend, and therefore you will lose less money. So Arne, Tai Chi yoga can be better than sports, really could. Of course, in whatever it is, main thing is you do something for your body. Just only to do nothing, have more respect to your body, because the body is the part your mind is living in. So your mind needs this body. So please, I can only literally beg you, do something for your body. Go walking. I guess, don't forget this point, guys. We only have this one life, one. And if you watch the news in Germany, like this big rain what we have and this flood what we have, around about 180 people lost their life, and we miss actually hundreds of people. And the news this morning said it is possible that we will never find those bodies because the water took them away anywhere, or maybe a lot of mess is over those guys. And we only have this one life, guys. And you should take care for your body and your mind, which means every day, a couple of minutes meditation. Bring your mind down to focus and do something for your body. It's the only thing you have. This body is living. So if you want to become successful in trading, you need a healthy body and a healthy mind. Without of those things, you cannot become successful in trading. And this is a guarantee, because, we have these challenges. We are living on the right side of the chart. We cannot influence the market. We can literally do nothing for that, which means we need a clear mind to control ourselves, not getting sweaty hands like that. And this is why I say distract yourself from trading. Yeah, it's good if you read books. If really good if you take care for your kids. You make your kids and your wife really happy if you spend time. Time is the biggest gift you can. Lifetime is the biggest gift you can give your kiddies and your wife or husband or wherever is there. But you deserve the same to spend time for yourself, because if you are not happy, you cannot make happy other people. So it starts with yourself. And to be happy means do everything, do happy things every day. So, and believe me, walking 10 minutes, not jogging. If you don't, a sportsman, it's no problem, doesn't matter. But take fresh air, go 10 minutes in a park or whatever, and be grateful for this life that we can spend with trading. Be grateful that you have this life on this planet. Do that, guys. And maybe if you have time, start with yoga. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, easy for beginners, but do that. Your energy must drive through your veins. And you know that your energy is responsible for a clear mind. This is not stupid stuff, guys. Believe me, my teachers taught me this years ago. And since I do regularly sport, I have a clear mind. And since years I make meditation, I can extend it between 20 minutes and 65 minutes. Yeah, but this is responsible for every kind of success. So do that. Start not with an hour, start with 10 minutes every day. And believe me, you will find that 10 minutes. You know why? Because you have 10 minutes time to watching TV, to get smoking or something else, to do stupid things, useless things. Believe me, you have only this one life. And it makes no sense if we come to the end of our life and we make a look back that we regret things. That's stupid, guys. We have to live in the present. You know, the past is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. Therefore, we say present. Yeah. So live in the present and do anything to keep your mind and body healthy. This is what I can recommend. So just a quick look at our running trades. Let's start with Australian dollar. The first time near to the break even after 6 months of not knowing if your approach will work. That's great. When you would set the stop in US dollar in 4-hourly charts. Yeah, we go through the trades right now. So by the way, this is Australian Canadian dollar. So as you could see, we reached the first target. Tomorrow the price comes a bit back. Guys, we don't have a trend continuation right now. This is not a trend continuation. There is not really a close above the last 0.2. So still we made money. We are circling around the entry a bit. Yeah, let's check it. And as long as the price will not going lower, we don't have to to trail the stop for the moment. If you can see the price is going lower, then we have to trail the stop and cut the loss, so we have a zero game. Then Australian dollar, Swiss franc. So guys, we are deep in profit. Yeah, and you see we are on the way back to the point of control. So, and I guess it will not that long time that we reach the point of control. So there is nothing to do in Australian Swiss franc. And I hope I can show you and prove it that the price is working for us. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Here we go. Same procedure, point of control. Oh, no, where's the point of control? Yeah, of course, we reached the point of control already. Oh my gosh. And I promised you to do that. Look, we reached the point of control. So we sold half of the position, trail the stop into profit, not to lose money anymore. And as I promised, no, where is the point of control? Sorry, the point of control is above. My fault, sorry. So trail the stop into profit and let it go, okay? Let it go. Don't intervene, actually, because we see there's a high volume zone. Maybe the point of control will switch to the lower side, but let it go. Don't intervene. A trend continuation is still more likely than a trend break. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, same procedure. And as you can imagine, I am in profit with $1,600 euros right now. And I promised you, if we hold it out and if we keep going, sticking to the rules, we will make money. I promised you that, and we will get it. The year is long enough to make more profits, but we have to let it go. And for example, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Look, the point of control is quite far away. Why we should intervene into that trade? Why we should do that? So even the price will go up. Yeah, the trend is still valid. And I promised you, we are back on track, but let it go right now. Let it go. It's a euro, Australian dollar. Same. Look, a trend continuation is always more likely. Look, entry, re-entry, again, sold at the point 2, let it go, trail the stop into profit, everything is fine, we cannot lose money anymore. Euro Canadian dollar, same procedure. Look, and we have a lot of space to go up to the point of control. Why we should intervene? We have enough proofs that the price will go back to the point of control. Let it go. We trade with prices, not with anything else, just only prices. So trend is still valid. There is actually nothing to do. We reached half the, we sold half the position, trailed the stop into profit, let it go. Euro Swiss franc. We are working to go back again to the point of control. Actually, price is kind of stabilizing here. So actually there's nothing to do. Wait if we reach the point of control again. Euro New Zealand dollar. Price is going up. Oh my gosh, we can sell half the position, guys. I told ya, yeah, we will reach the point 2 again. We have 80% probability. Come on, guys, let's sell half a position, make money. Chaka. So what we have to do, trail the stop into profit, everything is fine, and let it go. Even if the price will come back, as long as the trend is still valid, we have to do it again. British pound Canadian dollar. In profit, let it go, nothing to do. I must realize, I guess almost all my trades are in profit, right? Yes. Now you know why I trust the system, because it's the natural system of every kind of trading. Yeah. So this is British pound Swiss franc. Yes. Oh, we reached point 2 again, which means we have to sell half the position to make money, because hit quote is there. Yeah, and chaka, we made money. And let's trail, stop loss, bit in profit, everything is fine. We cannot lose money. Point of control is far away, let it go. British pound Japanese yen. Oh my gosh, trail a stop into profit, everything is fine. Guys, come on, that's really cool, right? That's really cool. And this is what I wanna teach you. Trust the system, trust the price. It happens, and it's a guarantee that a trend continuation is always more likely than a trend break. And this, the price is working for us. Sometimes it takes time, but one of interesting, yesterday, last days, I read some special sentence. If you cannot bear heat, then you don't have to go into the kitchen. That's really interesting. So therefore, if you are not strong enough for trading, stop doing it. But you have to do this. This is what I want to teach you. British pound, New Zealand dollar, we talked about. Now, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's an old trend. So what we should do, nothing, guys, nothing. Yeah, point of control is up here at 131. So now we are in the fair price zone already. I promised you, we come back from unfair sale, up to the point of control. So now, if you want, you can trail your stop if you want, a little bit higher, but I do nothing because I'm deep in profit. And I know there will come any kind of correction anytime, but finally, my target is the point of control. Yeah, so let it go. I don't do nothing there. So one question, vacation time is coming. As a private trader could close trades to focus on vacation. Do you do the same? No, I don't close my trades because I'm a swing trader. I stop day trading, but I let running. I don't have to focus on that because trade your stop into profit, check it one time a day. It is possible. It costs you maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes and everything is fine. So I would do it. So why you should cut your loss, your winners? That makes no sense. It makes you happy if you're on vacation and the trades are running for you. It's another plus point for a good vacation, by the way. So, and US dollar Swiss franc, it's, yeah. We opened a trade there in direction of short. So, okay. It's a little bit interesting. So we are a bit in loss here because that's for only one we are in loss, which means trail our stop to cut the loss here. Okay, that we only can reach, we can lose a little bit money. So let it go. US dollar, Swiss franc. By the way, trend continuation. There was no trend continuation, or the trend is still valid, so we don't have to do something there. And last one is US dollar, Japanese yen. We are also in profit. And again, we reached, I guess we can, we can sell half the position here because we are at the last point 2. That's cool. 0.05. So to trail the stop makes no sense here. So have it a little bit higher here, and maybe we can work with a kind of soft stop here so we cannot lose money here. Okay, guys, that's our running trades right now. And by the way, you see what I want to tell you the last 2 minutes, for example, is about our today's topic, which asset classes you can trade. And as you know, I told you to diversify well means you can trade across different asset classes with different options in an asset class. So if most of your money is in 1 or 2 asset classes, it may be prudent to consider other asset classes. Then within each asset class, make sure your money is invested across 3 different options available. Yeah, the 3 simple ways to diversify your portfolio broadly are by investing across asset classes within an asset class and internationally. So for example, you can trade majors, minors, exotics. Yeah, but setting the right asset class allocation for your financial goals and personal specifications depends on a number of factors. So, and those factors include your investment time horizon and what you're going to use the money for. So if you want to grow the money, you will need to take on some risk. If you are looking to preserve it, you will need to limit risk. So you can have risk in money or risk in the market. Risk in money means less time in the market, higher risk. Risk in money means, risk in market means less risk about money, but more time you spend into the market. But really, well, diversification means, again, trading within different asset classes and trading within different time frames. And this is one of the most important things, how you can become successful in trading. And this is what we are doing here. Day trading, hourly chart, 4-hourly, daily chart, weekly chart. And I promise you, at the end of the year, we have a high probability that we are back in profit. Let me say thank you for your precious lifetime this morning again. I wish you now a wonderful day. We will see each other in the rest of the day in the Twitch room to trade to each other in DAX, for example. And yeah, have courage and be kind. And as always, may the force of the rules be with you. See you tomorrow.